Hey guys, welcome to another video from my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a chatbot into a Shopify store since it's different from embedding it to other websites. So let's get started. As you can see, I am in a Shopify store. It's a demo that I've built for testing purposes, and I've imported a few products here. Let's take a look at the store. Here it is. It looks like this. And now let's head to VoiceFlow, and here is the chatbot that I built in the previous video. Let's publish it first. Now it's published. So let's head to integrations widget. Here, as you can see, it tells us how to embed it in a website. Paste this code snippet before the closing body tag on all pages you want the widget to appear. Remember to publish a production version to run your agent. So as you can see here, you can modify your chatbot's name and description here, modify its appearance. Let's copy the code. Now let's head to Shopify store, sales channels, online store, theme. Now let's select the edit code here, theme liquid, and here let's look for body. Here is the body, and paste the code here and hit save. Let's preview it now. As you can see here, it did not show up because we have to add a very snippet code to Shopify store for it to show the chatbot. Now let's head back to our code, head tag, and under the head tag you have to add a code, and the code looks like this. And let's hit save, reload our page, and here you are. As you can see, the chatbot showed up. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.